Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download PayPal checkout setup for no-code apps, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the PayPal developer website. Create an account if you don't have one, or log in if you already have an account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard area. Look for the My Apps and Credentials section. Click on Create App to start setting up your PayPal checkout. Enter a name for your app that reflects its purpose, then click Create App again. You will now see your app's details page. Locate the Sandbox section. This is where you will test your integration. Copy the client ID for later use. Now, scroll down to find the REST API credentials. You will see both the client ID and secret. Copy both for use in your. Next, open your no-code app platform. In your app settings, locate the payment integration option. Choose PayPal as your payment processor. Paste the client ID into the appropriate field. Next, paste the secret into its designated field. Configure the payment options according to your app's requirements. Ensure to set the environment to Sandbox for testing purposes. Once everything is in place, save the settings. Now, create a simple test transaction to ensure that the PayPal checkout is functioning properly. Test the checkout experience from a user's perspective. If everything works smoothly, switch the environment to live in your app settings. Finally, confirm all details and finalize your setup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.